Hi guys, it's your girl Chantal. Welcome back to part 2. Igama lami nguNosipho wakwaZondo. Kwanza phansi kwebandla isakhiwo sekhethu ukuthula Apostolic Church eZion eliholwa uReverend Mthabelani Lady Archbishop Mthabela. Welcome to my top 10 essentials for Passover, Good Friday, iPasika. As you know, iPasika years I'm not but yeah, so it's nice ukuthi travel yabo ngePasika Goli KZN Goli, but for my case it's different, but either way siyayidinga lezinto.
Get ready.
So for the Pasika leli, in my case I need amanzi to stay hydrated at all times. Kuyenzeka umuntu onye ibandla and then mina ke ngiyasaba ukuphuma ebusuku
Yourself a season.
Yes, I'll go ebusuku, so I make sure I keep water in here. Amanzi abanda. Ikhadi. To buy food. Cause ngenzeka ngilambe kungaka like as kunama ngisazi ukuthi manje ngineyikhathi zokudla, so ke yabona nje into enjalo nje, but yeah, ikhadi charger obvious ayisali angasikhandela ama-charger atshone, but yeah, charger to make sure phone has battery, to make sure phela ukuthi i-content okuqondile, not besides content, like siyadinga ukuba nama-memories of iPasika. Like nje yabona nje izinto enjalo, ngabe ukuthi hayi mina ngiyasontweni ngiya ePhasikeni Good Friday angishudi angenzi lutho mengiyile nje akunendaba. No, we should keep memories, yeah, good memories. And then column ayisali. Two different columns ayisali. Namhlanje kumele nginuke ngale ndlela, kusasa nginuke ngenye indlela. Yabo bedideka abantu ukuthi hayibolona, yabona nje noma ungaphatha alingi namasuku lawo uzobukhona lapho ePhasikeni ayikho inkinga, you can do that. Yabo unuke kamnandi ekubapazile ufike ngenye ngakusasa unuke, yabo ntambama unuke, yabo into enjalo nje ngisala kahle. Ama-toiletries futhi I don't have all my toiletries, but nje yabo ama-toiletries
Take it easy, dog.
Hela, it must be hygienic. Mageza, man. Be fresh. No more guess every 30 minutes. But nje kumele ugeze be fresh. Iphunga elimnandi liyathandeka. And then Bible outside. I wouldn't advise iBible elisefonini, cause siyazazi thina ama-2K, not besides nje ama-2K angeke ngispende sonke ngopendoda cause abantu abafana angali iBible elisefonini, but other people tend to use their phones for different reasons. Utshela ukuthi umuntu ufunda iBible kanti lutho yazi ukuthi hayi mina sengihleba ngalo yambona mina choma ngimthanda lapho ePhasikeni akela. And then you should have a blanket to make sure you stay warm. Weather ifan ngashisa emini ntambama kubanda, either way, but nje ingubo blanket kumele hlezi ikhona just for any case kujike kubande lapha uzoyithatha phi ingubo. You should stay warm umuntu nje. And then you can unine akasali kwaba isitelami kwabanayo yabona bekihleli phansi ngepasile hayi intombazane sukuma kwakhe intombazane sonje akasali ngoba uyazi ukuthi mina ngonosiponiyo unamahloni yabo ngeke ngivele ngisukume ngiyi-1 so unini akasali nakanjani phakathi inside phela not done ufuneka ne-energy yomgwaqo yabo Mongakwazi manje funda akukho nzima shem awondla akukho nzima uthi nje energy yangikwabe yafuna ayisala okugcina-ke nje i-tripod ayisala angithi ngisho ngaseqala ngathi content should be content must yeah so that's it thank you for watching bye ngakhohlwa ukuba ngihle ngiyiphasile intombazana ayibe yinhle nzipho malesh yeah ciao no pressure but then bye